Hotel check-in procedure.
Welcome to Sunrise Inn, ma'am. We'll take care of you. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Sunrise Inn. How may I assist you?
Hello, good morning. I would like to check in, please.
Surely, ma'am. Do you have your reservation process or are you walk-in guest?
Yes, under my name, Maricel Dandano.
Oh, that's great, ma'am. Do you have your booking confirmation?
Yes.
Can I please see it, ma'am?
Here.
Okay, thank you. And also, can I request for any identification card and your debit card, please?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Please give me a minute as I check in our system your reservation. Thank you for patiently waiting. Upon checking in our hotel system, there is a confirmed booking reservation under the name of Maricel Dandanon. You reserve a diplomatic suite lounge access, a non-smoking room with a queen-size bed and a single bed for 2 nights stay starting from today until 26th of May. Your room will be facing the city view as you requested, and also you asked to be included with a daily modified American plan. Your bills will be settled via Visa card amounting to 85,483.74, and of course, the other expenses will be in your personal account. Are all this information for you, Ms. Maricel Dandanon?
Yes, that is exactly what I do.
Alright, thank you, Ms. Maricel Dandanon. Here is your receipt and this is your valid ID. I've got you all checked in your room, ma'am. So here is your key card and this is your gift card. You can show this to our hotel staff each time you use our hotel facilities. Okay, ma'am. While I prepare for the receipt, kindly sign this and registration form and also double check all this information written in here, if you don't mind.
Sure, no problem. Done. The information is all correct. Thank you. May I ask what time is the breakfast?
The breakfast will be available from 6 a.m. up to 10:30 a.m., ma'am.
Okay, thank you for that information.
Is there anything else I can assist with you?
I think for now, none.
Alright, please wait a moment. I call the bell service. Bell service, please. Miss Dandanon, this is our bell attendant, Miss Mary Grace Kambang. Don't hesitate to call us if you need any further assistance.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. See you around.
My pleasure, Miss Dandanon. See you around, ma'am.